The courtroom comes to order. The judge takes the bench, calm but commanding. This is the case of the Hendersons. The room settles. All eyes turn forward as the weight of responsibility fills the air.
You all may be seated. Ms. Anderson.
Yes, Your Honor.
You filed this case before the court.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's going on?
I am a full-time mom, and I also work as well full-time as a hairstylist. And I had one child with this.
Miss Anderson steps forward. She is a full-time mother and a full-time hairstylist, juggling work and parenting alone. Her voice is steady, but the frustration is clear. She tells the court the father of her child is refusing to work on purpose, avoiding child support, avoiding responsibility. No money, no help, barely a phone call to his son.
This man right here, and he is intentionally not trying to work to avoid paying me child support, and he's not helping with our child.
He's not helping doing anything?
Nothing, ma'am.
He's not giving you any money?
No, ma'am.
Is he paying for lunches?
No, ma'am.
Nothing.
I can barely get him to call and talk to his son.
Is there anything else you want me to know before I move to him?
No, ma'am.
Sir?
Yes, Judge.
Is there a reason you're not supporting your child?
Well, from what
The judge turns to the father. The question is simple. Why are you not supporting your child? He hesitates. He blames attitude. He claims confusion. The courtroom grows quiet as excuses begin to surface.
attitude that she has today, I'm lost. First off, I do everything that I can for the kids.
Okay, when you say you do everything, she's saying
Right.
you do not do anything. So what is everything that you're doing?
Well, when she asked me to pick them up, I pick them up.
Okay,
try to keep a job.
let me ask the better question. What are you doing financially to provide for this child?
The judge presses harder. What are you doing financially? The answer lands flat. Nothing. The truth hangs in the air. Miss Anderson reveals he once had a job at the post office and quit as soon as child support was deducted. The judge takes note.
Oh, well, I don't have a job.
That wasn't my question. What are you doing financially to help support this child?
Well, I guess nothing.
Your Honor,
You guess nothing. Yes, ma'am.
he did have a job at the post office, but once they took out child support, he quit.
Okay.
Literally right afterwards.
How long were you working at the post office, sir?
Then comes the explanation. He says he is pursuing a rap career, selling CDs, making money under the table. The judge listens unimpressed. The mother insists this is intentional, a strategy to dodge responsibility.
Probably about 2 months.
2 months? Okay. Is that about accurate? He was working about 2 months?
I believe so.
Okay. So you don't work in, are you currently seeking employment? Like what are you doing?
Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm trying to start my rap career, so I really want to. Right now, I'm selling CDs at my
Here
truck.
we
I'm
go
gonna be
with
honest
this
with you.
again. You're selling CDs.
And Your
Yeah.
Honor, he
I have some
does.
What?
He does make money under the table. That's his goal.
Selling CDs?
Again, I know he's bringing in something, but I don't know how much. But again, I'm telling you, it's intentional. Like he's doing it on purpose so that he can avoid paying child support.
Sir, how much are you selling these CDs for?
On a good day, I'm getting at least $3.
$3?
A pop, you know.
Per CD?
Yeah.
The judge does the math out loud. $3 per CD, maybe 40 sold on a good day. Groceries cost $500 a month. The numbers don't add up. Gasps ripple through the courtroom as reality hits hard. A child cannot live on dreams and loose change.
Ma'am, how much does it cost for you to pay for, how much is it monthly for your groceries to pay for lunch for these kids?
Monthly, I'm looking about maybe $500. I packed lunch.
What?
$500?
Mm-hmm.
And you're making $3 per
You don't
CD.
even live in a house.
How many CDs are you selling a day, sir?
Probably like 20.
You're selling 20 CDs in a day.
Yeah,
And
it
you're
could be like I
making-
get gas. I can get gas. You know, they give me a little food or whatever. That's about it.
See,
So you're
this-
making like $60? Sir, you understand that's not enough to support this child, right? If you divide $500, right? That's
Right.
how much your groceries are, correct? You divide that by 30 days, which are typically what's in a month. That's $16.67 a day. How do you expect your child to live off of that?
Hey, he come over, we go to McDonald's, I spend $6, I got 10 left.
Sir,
I have to drive to him and drop my child off and be like, you need.
The judge makes it clear. Parenting is not optional. Time alone is not support. Financial responsibility belongs to both parents. The father mentions 7 other children. The judge doesn't flinch. Being cordial does not pay bills. Excuses do not feed kids.
Need to spend time with your father and you need to take care of your child.
so you're not spending time, you're not financially supporting them, so you're just leaving everything up to mom, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
She
what was the last-
always say it's my child.
Excuse me, sir. It is your child, just like it's her child.
No, I'm saying when
Exactly.
she say every time we having an argument or a conversation is, well, it's my child, it's my this. But when it's time to take care of the kid,
So you think that by her saying this is my child, that means she is solely responsible for paying for the child too? Is that what you're telling me here today?
if I ain't got no money,
That is your best case here today.
I'm just telling you, Judge, I tried with this lady. I have 7 other children, and she...
7
I
other
can't-
children.
I don't
How
know.
are you affording to have 7 children? Are you financially supporting them as well?
Nah, they mamas, they fool with me. So,
What does that mean? They
I mean,
fool with you.
like, we still cool. We cordial. That's what it is, cordial.
So, with you guys being cordial, you think that excuses you from being able to financially take care of these kids?
They ain't tripping. She the only one tripping.
Okay. Sir,
Why I gotta pay her anything? though?
you came here to waste my time, obviously. We are not about to play these games. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Enough is enough. The judge lays down the law. Child support will be ordered. Minimum wage is used to calculate support because choosing not to work does not erase obligation. After credit for other children, the final amount is set. $145 per month. Every month. No games.
You are going to pay this woman child support to support your child. The court has the obligation to make sure that we give you credit for any other children that you may have, but you are going to start giving her something to financially support these children. Now, what I can do, because based on the paperwork you gave me, you did not work at the post office long enough for me to be able to just see what you're making on a consistent basis. So I will set your child support at minimum wage. Okay?
Okay, what's minimum wage?
You know the minimum wage in Texas, right?
Nah, I just moved here.
Okay, well, based on minimum wage, the rate is $7.25.
What am I supposed to do with that?
$7.25. It's better than $3. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but by the time the
$3
taxes
for a CD.
and she...
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
as I was saying, that brings your gross to about $1,256. Your net, I have it at about $1,121.54. Your child support obligation a month is $203. Okay.
Month?
I take that back. You said you have
Can
other
I-
children, correct?
Can you split that up in like 6 months? I gotta pay that monthly?
You will pay that monthly, and it will come out based on how you were paid. Were you paid twice a week or bi-weekly? How were you paid at your previous job?
You saying the CDs or the post office?
The post
Oh,
office.
yeah, the post
Please do not mention
Two-
that
2
again,
weeks.
talking about some CDs for $3, and I just broke down. It costs
Wow.
$6 a day to feed your kid.
Yes,
I do
ma'am.
not want to hear anything else about $3.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
you're not actively looking for a job, so you need to actively look for.
The judge addresses healthcare next. The child needs insurance. The mother can enroll the child, but the father will reimburse her. The judge demands understanding. This is about the child's well-being, not pride or excuses. The case is dismissed. From the bench, the message is final and firm. Children are not raised on promises or potential. They are raised on responsibility. And this court will always stand for the child.